Good morning, Minnesota Travel Guy here. Wanted to get another video out. I apologize for it being late. I do currently have COVID. I got COVID. I'm totally vaccinated and got COVID, so I'm a breakthrough. I'm a breakthrough guy. I'm almost over it, so I'm doing pretty well. But I wanted to get another review out of our New York City trip, and this one's going to be, it's very short, sweet, to the point. We made plans, back in June. I think they announced that Sara Bareilles was going to open up her own musical back up on Broadway, and they were going to be one of the first ones to open back up after COVID. And her musical is called Waitress, in case you didn't know that. And she wrote it, and she starred in it when it first opened on Broadway. And so for the reopening after COVID, after Broadway's been closed for a year and a half, she came back and she opened it again. For 6 weeks she ran, and boy, what a great play. I would challenge you to say, if you go to that play, that there isn't something or someone in that play that you can't relate to. Very heartwarming, heart-wrenching, both play. And it was a great play. I'm not going to give away a lot of the play, but I just wanted to, the theater was awesome. One thing that's really cool that they do is, it's Waitress, and it's about a waitress that bakes pies. So right before the theater, or right before the production opens, the curtain comes up, you're smelling apple pie all the way through the audience, which is really cool. And I did hear from somebody that supposedly was a backstage person, but that was actually that they were baking apple pies. I don't know if that's true or not. They probably have some apple pie scent or something, but it smelled like apple pie all the way through that theater, so maybe it was. So anyway, we went to see it on Broadway. Sara Bareilles was phenomenal. And just to let you know that after her run, which I think her run is almost done now, Jennifer Nettles of country music fame is going to take over that role, which she'll be awesome at that role. She got the southern accent and everything else that goes that you need to have for that part. So I encourage you, if you are anywhere near New York City at Broadway, go see Waitress. Because even if Sara Bareilles isn't there, Jennifer Nettles, who is a little big country star, is taking over that role. She'll be awesome. She will be awesome in that. So anyway, without further ado, I am just going to go ahead and let the pictures speak for themselves. See you on the other side.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4:00 in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go?
Well, so that is the gist of Waitress, starring Sara Bareilles on Broadway. I thought it was really cool. After the play, everybody lined up and outside, and Sara Bareilles came out and waved and said we, and I think probably it might be because I was in the audience, said we were the best audience that she's ever had. So, I don't want to say anything, but there's been a lot of Waitress audiences. I mean, the play's been on Broadway for several years. And it just so happens that I was in the audience, and she said we were the best audience she ever had. So I don't want to, use new math or anything, but it very well might be that Mr. and Mrs. Minnesota Travel Guy were in the audience. I'm just saying. Anyway, do me a favor. You know what I want you to do. Push that subscribe button down there. The subscriptions have been going up. You know what my goal is? 1,000 subscriptions by Christmas. As of this morning when I looked, I think we're up to 366 subscriptions. That's up from 39 subscriptions when I started this campaign. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Please do. You're watching the videos anyway, so subscribe. Push that notification bell, and you'll get a notification every time I put out a new review or Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks, which, as a reminder, tomorrow, Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks will come out and give you some helpful hints about retirement income and getting off that hamster wheel. So tune in then also. Until then, see you later, and be grateful in everything you do.
Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find